Rolled omelette with mozzarella and mortadella. Cut to mortadellas into small flowers using a flower-shaped cutter.
Finely chop the remaining portion of the mortadella.
Take 3 eggs. Add pepper, salt, 1.5 to 2 tablespoons water, or as needed to thin the eggs so it can be spread easily in the pan and mix well. To the preheated pan, add butter and spread evenly. Pour a thin layer of egg mixture and spread evenly. When the egg is nearly set, add mozzarella. And chopped mortadella. Roll the omelet gently into a log. Move it to one side of the pan. Pour more egg mixture into the empty space of the pan, lifting the omelet slightly so that the egg can spread underneath. Add cheese and chopped mortadella again. Roll the omelet once more. Before pouring the last 1 or 2 layers, arrange the flower-shaped mortadella on the pan. Pour egg mixture over them by slightly lifting the omelet so the egg can spread underneath. Add mozzarella cheese. Then roll again. Repeat the final layer. Cook the rolled omelet on all sides by gently pressing and shaping. Remove from heat and let rest briefly before slicing. Dip a chopstick tip into mustard sauce and dot the center of each mortadella flower to create bright yellow pollen. Place small mint leaves beside the flowers to mimic leaves for a fresh, decorative touch. This is a delightful twist on the classic omelet, layered with savory mortadella and creamy mozzarella. Garnished with flower-shaped mortadella accents, This rolled omelet is perfect for a special breakfast or light lunch.